This Draftkings, you popped up and then you have like this really wonky bar here. Just watch this. Don't rule this out, okay? Just because they still lost capital, but they lost less capital. That's what you want to see. They are losing less capital. You're going into football season, okay? People are going to be bored. They're not going to be able to travel. They're going to have less disposable income. What do? Okay, when you went through the Great Depression, what was the one industry that lasted and actually flourished? Okay, it was gambling that wasn't legal at the time, and it was Hollywood. If you go back and look at those kinds of areas, why? People want to escape and be entertained. So this actually, which is kind of crazy if you think about it, these kinds of names actually pop up in a recession. And whether you want to call it a recession or a blueberry, I could really care less. It's just trying times. Let's just call it that. But if you look at this, yeah, I think this could really go. I do. And I'm just going to throw this out there. I have a position in it. It's a very simple trade. You should be able to map that out really quickly. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.